Villars sur Ollon, situated at 1,300 meters, is a historic alpine village located in the French-speaking canton of Vaud in Switzerland. In 1913, the Villars Palace looked majestically over the village and was the center of winter and summer sports. Today, like much of the village, the palace is undergoing a total renovation. The region is served by the Bex Villars-Bretaye meter gauge railway. In the winter, it brings skiers to the Chamossaire and chaud ski lifts, and in the summer, it takes hikers to the gateway of les Alpes vaudoises. Just driving up the mountain from Ollon to Villars is awe-inspiring. From 1953 to 1971, the Ollon to Villars hill climb, with its every conceivable hairpin turn, captured the attention of car racing enthusiasts throughout Europe. Today, access around the mountain is very easy. At the Crazy Moose, a restaurant located at 1,700 meters and accessible by the mountain train or by skis in the winter, there are spectacular views of the mountains which complement the delicious cuisine of the Quebec-inspired chef. Dining around the mountain has some brilliant dishes like risotto with porcini mushrooms, spinach tart with mashed potatoes, and Switzerland never disappoints the sweet tooth with specialties like meringue with Gruyere double cream and raspberry sauce, served at the restaurant at the Golf Club Villars. Golf in Villars began in 1922, and the 18-hole par 70 course at 1,660 meters with views towards the Mont Blanc is beautiful and challenging. Even in the summer, one can occasionally find snowdrifts in the area. Hiking in Villars is spectacular, and there is every possibility from beginners and families to experienced hikers. And for the avid adventurer, there are other ways to get down the mountain besides by foot. Soaring over the pine trees and trails gives one a sense of why the opportunities for inspiration in the Swiss Alps are limitless. One of the best hotels in town is the Alpes Fleury. It's a 3-star but feels like a 4-star hotel with an excellent restaurant, cozy rooms, and 5-star views of the ever-changing and fascinating Dent du Midi mountain range. In nearby Soleil is a valley surrounded by spectacular mountains, straight out of the book Heidi. Here, contented cows graze along the green pastures, and occasionally one might even share with visitors how moveless the valley is. Hiking around the valley can reveal towering trees, dramatic rocks, and refreshing waterfalls and rivers. It's easy to explore on foot, by bike, and reachable even by car. One of the premier international boarding schools, Aiglon College, is located in nearby Chamossaire. Aiglon's campus is a virtual village with dozens of buildings providing housing, extensive academic facilities, and unlimited sports. The essence of Switzerland's international community is evident with Aiglon's global student body. Villars captures the magic of Switzerland in every season.